Hello, friend, how are you? Today I am going to tell you a very good anchoring script for farewell. First, you will start by शायरी, and the शायरी is मिली जुली खुशी गम के भावनाओं के साथ, मिली जुली खुशी गम के भावनाओं के साथ शुभकामना है आज विदाई के मौके पे ये कि हो तुम्हारे जीवन की शुभ शुरुआत। Good evening everyone. I would like to stretch warm welcome to our chief guest, our dear principal, our teachers and you friends. Today we bid farewell to our class 12 students as their journey at this school ends. We wish them the best for their next step. Today, let us take this day to celebrate all the memories we have made in the school through so many years. नम आँखों से आपको विदा आज करेंगे, नम आँखों से विदा आज आपको करेंगे, आपके बिन अकेले कैसे हम रहेंगे। जो प्यार आपसे मिला है, जो प्यार आपसे मिला वो तो अनमोल तोहफा है, आपके बिछड़ने का गम कैसे हम सहेंगे। My dear friends, we all juniors are feeling very sad that how a critical work to bid farewell to our seniors. But it is the law of nature that everyone have to go once. Today, we all juniors decided to bid farewell by singing and dancing. So, we are going to present cultural program for our seniors which will bring some happiness on their faces. आपके वास्ते कुछ भी कर जाएंगे, आपके वास्ते कुछ भी कर जाएंगे, आप कह दें इशारा तो हम मर जाएंगे, आप कर दें इशारा तो हम मर जाएंगे, आपकी हर खुशी मंजूर है पर विदा आपको हम न कर पाएंगे। Today is not a day to weep but instead to celebrate that. That is why we are here to make this celebration a memorable one for all of you lovely people. Let us begin this day remembering our creators. I would like to call classical dancing group of class 11th to present their prayer dance. After performance, you will clap, then you have to sit. Put your hands together to encourage these girls. क्या अंधकार से डरना अब आओ सूरज बन जाते हैं, क्या अंधकार से डरना अब आओ सूरज बन जाते हैं, धरती अंबर के तम सारे जिससे डर के छट जाते हैं, एक नूर बहे रूहानी सा रोशन यह आलम हो जाए। My friends, we are going to present you very beautiful dance by the class 8 girls which have a fusion of many songs. That is the end of the moments. That is the end of the moments of wait. So please welcome class 8 girls for the fusion dance. After performance, you will set for the you will tell for the clapping. Let us give a huge round of applause for our friends. When we unfold the books of our life, we get that every page are fulfilled with the love of our seniors. I want to say something for them. महक रिश्तों के बिछोह से कम नहीं होती, महक रिश्तों की बिछोह से कम नहीं होती, दूरियां होने से ये ज़िंदगी ख़त्म नहीं होती। आप हमारे दिल के धड़कनों की तरह रहेंगे, आप हमारे दिल में धड़कनों की तरह रहेंगे, अपनों से दूर होने से मोहब्बत कम नहीं होती। To keep the party going on, we have to another dance performance by the boys of class 9th. So keep your heartbeat we are going to present dance performance by class 9th boys. दीप जले हैं शो मत जाना, मिलकर करना रखवारी, फूल खिले हैं चप्पे चप्पे, सावधान रहना माली, आवाज़ें कुछ करते रहना, तब गुलशन मुस्काएगा. Now I would like to call our principal Mrs. Josna Sharma to come on the stage to say something about our seniors. दुनिया की बाजी जीत कर मशहूर हो गए, दुनिया की बाजी जीत कर मशहूर हो गए, इतना मुस्कुराए कि दुख सब दूर हो गए. हम कांच के थे जमाने ने हमें फेंक दिया था, आपके चेहरे पे आए तो कोहिनूर हो गए. Now we are going to present very special show that is a fashion show organized for you all. Are you guys ready? You want to listen some hit DJ music? न कोई राह आसान चाहिए, न कोई राह आसान चाहिए, न कोई हमें पहचान चाहिए, बस एक ही चीज़ मांगते हैं भगवान से कि हमारे सीनियर्स के चेहरे पर हर पल मुस्कान चाहिए. As we say goodbye, we remind ourselves that farewell are not forever, nor are they the end. They are simply words to say that we will miss you all dearly, and that we will remember you fondly. Although we may be separated by the time and distance in the short term, nothing will diminish the important role that you have and always will play in our lives. We will wish you happy, adventurous, fantastic new friendship, amazing experience, and the journey of lifetime. This is a anchoring script for the farewell. So if you like this video, then please put your hand on the like button, and if you like this video, you have to share this video. Then if you are new at my channel, you have to subscribe the channel for more and more video. Thanks for watching this video.